Welcome back to our Coachtrimmers. Today you join me with this beautiful Alfa Romeo 8C LeMans built by Touring. This car came to us missing its interior, so we have fabricated and then set about trimming the entire cabin, front and rear, to this fabulous specification you see here. Once again, we've been working with the Regent Garage and the Twyman brothers, who supplied plenty of original research photos that we worked with to put all of the little details that these cars had back into this cabin, and it presents absolutely beautifully now. We'll jump inside and just point out a few of the things that we've been up to. The colour combination for this car was selected by the owner and his family. We ended up settling on this beautiful Connolly Nuella leather in this wonderful shade of green. This leather's got a lovely texture to it with nice polished tips to the top of the grain, and it really makes it stand out, and it looks so right in this 1930s car. Particular care and attention was paid to the techniques and methods used for trimming. So on the seats and the panels we've used wadding in place of modern foams, and it just gives a certain look which is very reminiscent of the period. The Twymans provided us with a great number of research photos, and along with our own research, we've mimicked the style of the doors and these top cappings, which have got a nice bit of cushioning in, so when you're driving along you can rest your arm in comfort. Things like the seats have been taken from that exact 1930s Alfa Romeo 8C style. And then if we move on into the back cabin here, the owner, although this Le Mans car probably wouldn't have had the back seats in it when it was raced, he wants the opportunity to be able to take his family out, take the grandkids to the pub, that kind of thing. So we've put in a set of freshly fabricated seats and then integrated a small pocket onto the back of the front seat there, just to give a little bit more storage and usability to the car. And then resting on top, we've got the original style tonneau with the leather straps that just hook through all of these. And the only other thing we've done is we've made a modern stretch cover for the front cabin. So if you are out and about and you just want to cover the cabin, you can throw that on very quickly and just clip it on to a couple of places on the body, and off you go. Really hope you've enjoyed seeing this wonderful Alfa Romeo go through our workshop. Slightly different project here for us, but it's been a great challenge. The team and I have really enjoyed it. This car has been on display at the Hampton Court Concourse. If you saw it there, I'm sure you enjoyed having a good look around it. If you've got any comments or questions, please drop them below. Give the video a like and a share, and I look forward to bringing you another video soon.